Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to bake potatoes without an oven. So here I have small sized potatoes, like around 15, and I'm also going to be adding some spices, rosemary, some small cinnamon, and some salt to taste. And of course we're going to add some cooking oil. But first, after you've peeled your potatoes, we are going to boil them, making sure that they don't become very soft. So we are going to slightly boil them so that just the outside part of the potato is soft enough. Then we are going to proceed to the next step. All right, so after our potatoes have slightly boiled and not to become very soft, as you can see, the fork has some resistance while it's going in. We are going to drain out that water. Once you've done that, transfer the potatoes into a container like so. And maybe, just looking at my potatoes, maybe some of them overcooked a little bit, but that's not a problem. So now the next step will have to be adding some spices into it. We're going to add some rosemary. You can crush your rosemaries in your palm, then just spread them out and mix them in the potatoes. Then we're going to add in some cinnamon, just a little bit. Just make sure not to overdo it. And then we are going to salt our potatoes. Again, just a pinch. That's enough. And then now just mix it up in there so that the spices just go all over. And then the next step, you're going to bring your saucepan to heat. Add in a generous amount of cooking oil, just to make sure that the potatoes don't stick to the pan. Okay. And once your frying pan is hot enough, you're going to place in your potatoes strategically, like so. And then we are going to add some cooking oil. Just pour some cooking oil on top of the potatoes, like that. And then now, just to bring in the oven fill, we are going to cover them with a lid, maintaining the heat on low. Then give them time, around 15 to 20 minutes, and they'll be cooked. So while it's cooking, remember to keep turning your potatoes so that every part cooks nicely. So after letting our potatoes to cook for 15 to 20 minutes, now they are ready to be served. Some of them got mashed owing to the fact that I boiled them more than I should have. So now we are going to serve our potatoes. We just serve a few, okay? And our potatoes are best served with some minced meat. So you can have a little bit of minced meat on the side like that. Then also you can have some tomato sauce. Whichever way you like it, you can have it on the side, but I love mine on top of my potatoes. And there you are, you're ready to go. And that's how, guys, you cook baked potatoes without an oven.